Across America now, firefighters are gaining ground in their battle against the deadliest wildfires in California's history. Two of the largest fires are now nearly 50% contained. On Saturday, the death toll climbed to 40. 5,700 homes and other buildings have been destroyed. CBS 4's Chris Martinez has the latest.
From the air, you can see the massive scope of the fires burning through California's wine country. On Saturday, gusty winds helped fan the flames of the Nun Fire near the town of Sonoma, prompting new evacuations. Embers from the blaze caught this house on fire. As firefighters worked to put out the flames, a shed nearby melted and collapsed before our eyes. More than 9,000 firefighters are battling more than a dozen large fires across the state. Officials say overall, they're making great progress.
This is the day that we have prayed for since Sunday night.
Thousands of people remain evacuated from their homes this weekend, and officials say they will not allow them to return until the fire danger subsides.
She's disabled. All right, let me get her feet. Let me get her feet.
That danger on full display in this body cam video showing first responders rushing to get people to safety last Sunday night. Local officials say they're still working to assess all the damage.
The count stands at 5,700 damaged and destroyed structures.
At least 20 investigators are working to figure out what caused the fires, but they say it could be weeks before they have any answers. Chris Martinez, CBS News, Sonoma, California.